I'm going to clean my kid's room with my kid. We're going to use the Take Your House Back method, which includes Dana K. White's 5-step decluttering process. So the first thing I'm going to ask my son to look for, he's behind the camera by the way, is trash. So, my son, where's trash? Point to trash.
Oh, there's a plastic bag right next to the road. Yeah.
This still has these in it. Should we keep them or is it trash?
We can keep them.
Keep them? Okay, then I'm gonna put them in the other bag. Alright.
Is that instructions?
Yes?
Over there?
Trash?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. See, we already found something. Great.
Wait, okay.
Is this trash?
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Do you think we should give this away since it's...
We can give it away.
Okay, because we have the red one.
Yeah. There's a box under the table.
Ah, and this is trash?
Yes.
Okay. Got it. Is this trash?
No.
I'm gonna put it under the desk. Alright, is this trash? Or donations?
Donations.
This trash or donations?
No.
Okay.
Well, donations. Yeah, donations.
You wanna...
There's an empty controller box over there
Okay.
on the console.
I love that you saw that.
I have very good eyes.
Okay. Yeah, it looks like the whole thing is just... Alright, wait. Trash?
Yeah. No, keep that, please.
No problem. Yeah, so all the stuff we're keeping is going in the second bag.
Behind the controllers.
There's trash back there?
No, not the console. The controllers.
What's back there?
The controllers.
Oh, what about them?
Behind
they're
them.
Trash?
No, behind them.
I don't know.
Behind them. I don't know what Paw Patrol guy that is.
There's a pop. Where is a pop? Are you talking about this?
No, yes, behind that.
Oh, this.
Yes, thank you.
Trash?
Also the
What?
Nerf gun thing. Yes, that.
Trash?
Yes.
Got it. Not this though.
You can see how old my mom is by her hearing.
That is not okay. I might not hire you again. Okay, this is your sister's. Do we think that she's ever gonna do these activities?
No.
What about this? What's this paper? It's in a different language.
We can throw that away.
Wait, there's more stuff over here. There's this.
Throw that away.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes.
And this is, oh, I was gonna save it, but what do you think? It's from the package to when we bought you this special Universal Studios Harry Potter.
Yeah, we can keep
one.
that.
You want to keep this?
Yeah.
Okay.
There
You can
is.
put it in your memory box. What about this tangram? Your teachers gave your sister this.
Yeah, you threw the stuff, the how to make it away. So you put it in the bag.
Oh.
We have a fish tank without any
That's
fish.
not trash. That's brand new. Oh, these are cartridges for the fish tank. Should I put it on top?
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh wait, can I put it in the drawer?
Oh sure.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
This drawer's getting rough. Can this go in donations?
Yes.
Okay.
We're past 5 minutes.
What about this?
Sure. Yeah.
Sure what?
Throw away.
Throw away. Okay, we're past 5 minutes. You're right. Hi. This is a different 5-minute time period that we're doing the 5 steps of decluttering. Now, we did trash. We looked for trash, but we can keep looking for trash. We did easy stuff where we had to take it to a different place. This is section supposed to be declutter, but I mean, if you're like us, you don't usually throw anything away. But this, do we need the bullets holster, or can we just put the bullets in a plastic bag?
We don't need that.
Okay, so, and this black thing too, we can...
Yeah, we don't need it.
All right, so this is gonna get donated, or just trashed, we'll see. All right, and then in the bottom of this, there's usually bullets, but we'll go ahead and try to put them all together. This is where the weapons go, right?
Mhm.
Okay. What about this? Keep or donate?
Yeah, both of those.
Keep or donate?
Keep.
Trash. This goes to my phaser. Keep or donate?
Keep.
This is your sister's. And this is your sister's, so we're gonna actually put it in the drawer even though it's still in the package. So the weapons that don't fit into these boxes, do they just go in the back, or, you know, like I know you want to keep this ginormous Nerf gun, right?
Yeah.
And this one too?
Yeah, they just go in the back of the closet.
And this one too?
Yeah.
What about these? Do you play with that gun? That has this
yes.
type of bullets? Good.
I don't use that. Okay.
All right, what about this?
That's one of those. That's one of the other things, but yeah. It's one of the holsters.
Okay, so we could put some more bullets in here. Should I make a pile of dirty clothes?
Yeah, you should.
I should, huh?
Because there's...
Oh my gosh, these are my dirty clothes that are in your room. I'm so sorry.
See, there's a lot of dirty clothes in our room.
There is. Everybody's dirty clothes are in your room. That wasn't used very much. These can get put away again, but for now, I'll put them in the drawer. Can you show the people that the floor is actually getting a little bit cleaner? Oh, I'm gonna give this away.
Okay, yeah, we don't use that.
Yeah, and a few of these things in here that your sister just doesn't even know that they exist. But then she'll have more room in this bag for the stuff that she likes. Do we want that person in the Duplos to be
No,
have a broken
well, we
leg?
we don't really need that. But.
All right, and this needs to get rehomed to a different room. And usually in the decluttering 5-step method, we would take it there now. And I'm sorry, but I'm not going to, because I can do whatever I want. It says that in the Take Your House Back course too. It says you can do whatever you want. Well, at least Dana says that. I don't think Cass says that at all. All right, so we're getting this filled up, so I'm gonna go ahead and shove these things back into the... Now, if you wanna come, I don't know if you can see the closet from there, but you can see the closet isn't like stuffed or over full. That's a really important part of the course that that I didn't understand the first year that I was decluttering, is that you need a space that you can get to. Even if, you know, you decluttered and everything fits, if it doesn't fit comfortably, then it's no good. Sorry, that was a Duplo, and I was attempting to get the Duplo into the Duplo box. It did not work out.
We're just we're a minute over 5 minutes, so.
Okay. So then, do you want to come down from the bed and show a picture of the closet that it looks a little better?
Okay.
Okay, you could come show them. So see, they do fit. Even with this thing that is supposed to be hanging up in the closet, there's still space, and it's get toable. And then we can close the door. We're giving this away. We're giving this away. We're giving these away. A giveaway. Should we give this away? We're gonna give this away. You want to give this away? Do you want to give this away? What about these? I haven't seen her play with these types of blocks. Should we give all of them away? You like them?
We can.
Yeah? Okay. We're giving these away. Magnifying glass, can we give that away or you use it?
We can give it away.
Really? You don't use it?
No, no, I don't.
Just remember that it's probably Grammy's. Should we give it back to Grammy?
Yeah.
Is this a paint yours?
I'm not really gonna paint Knuckles, so. The other statue, so.
You're not? Okay, put your stuff away. We're putting away right now. Keep or give away?
Keep.
Then it has to go in the...
Weapons, yeah.
Yeah. Keep or give away? We can give it away? I know, I'm not going to give that away. Put it in there. If you're keeping it, put it in here. Keep or give away? Keep. Sister, get all of those things. Good. Now all of those little things. Gotta go over there.
Yeah, we need that.
Okay. Oh, and guess what else is going away?
What?
Why don't you show them the giant sloth that we've had to have in our house?
You hurt his eye with the net.
Oh, he's not living with us anymore, so he'll go to someone who won't hurt his eye.
Okay.
Okay, wait, what about
Good
the
luck,
rest of those
sister.
things? All right, keep or give away? Keep, okay. Give me those.
Good job, sister.
Okay, what's the rest of them? Thank you. What about the rest of them? You get to keep this?
We have not put fish in our fish tank yet.
Do you want to keep or give it away? I think you like it. Keep it? Okay, get the rest of them, please. Are we keeping this?
Sister's doing such a good job, isn't she?
Yes. What about this? We're keeping this?
Yeah. Well, no, because they don't work at all.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you don't have to keep something.
They magnify 1 foot.
Yeah, you don't have to keep something that doesn't function. Give it away? Give away?
Sister's gonna definitely keep bingo.
Oh yeah,
Bingo.
So get that. This goes to your craft container, and we don't know what you're going to use from it yet, so we'll put it on your desk. You want to come grab it?
Sure.
And that'll be the end of the video.
My mom, about this baby.
Don't worry, we will eventually have fish.
Still alive. Yeah.
Can you make up your bed?
Sure.
these. When I buy them, I have to think about that. Dadgummit.
Yeah, it sucks.
Okay, well, we gave away her car. When's the last time you started playing with this microwave thing?
She plays with it still.
Okay. What about this dead kitty? Does she play with it?
No.
Can we give this away? Give away?
No, it's not.
Do you want to give it away? No?
You want to come with me when I go to clean Mama's car?
Sure.
You better be careful, you're almost on camera.
Oh, why am I on camera?
Because I'm making a clean with me video.
Okay.
I
Make a fitness video too?
What?
I can make it a fitness video.
Yeah!
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, they would love a fitness video of us together. Can we give this away, or is this still your favorite?
Oh, that fell?
Yes, but was it a sign that it fell? Should we give it away? You don't have to. I know you like it. You like it, right? That's fine. You can keep it. Sloth. Do we like the sloth? All the sloths? Must we keep all the sloths?
What do you have against sloths?
That there's so many of them, and that we didn't have them before? What about this big giant thing? Are you putting it back up when you're done?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do want it? You don't want to give it away?
No. Yes, Mom. I do
Do you ever wear this big poofy one?
No.
Between these two, what about, so you want to keep this and give this?
Yeah.
Got it. Let's do it. Goodbye, big poofy jacket.
That will never work.
My inner breast. No. I just need a brush, please.
Need the broccoli?
I need
Okay, show me where he's going. I need to see this.
what's it here?
So I can lay my head on him
All right.
if I ever need to.
Okay. And when you're done, can you give me like, yeah, turn around, big arms, yeah. Hooray.